Hey everyone, welcome back to the video. In today's video, I'll show you how to fix Gcash app crashing in simple and easy steps. Step 1. First close the Gcash app. Now swipe up from the bottom of your screen and pause. Then find the Gcash app and swipe it up to close it completely. Then reopen the app and check if it still crashes. Step 2. Restart your phone. Now press and hold the power button. Then slide to power off. Wait for 10 seconds. Then turn your iPhone back on. Step 3. Check for internet connection. Now scroll down the control center. Gcash needs a stable internet connection. Turn Wi-Fi or mobile data off. Wait for a few seconds, then turn it back on. You can also switch between Wi-Fi and mobile data. Step 4. Update the Gcash app. Go to the App Store, then search for Gcash. If an update is available, install it. Step 5. Update iOS. Open Settings, then General, then Software Update. If an update is available, install it. And outdated iOS versions can cause Gcash to crash. And that's how you can fix if Gcash app crashing. And that's it. I hope you like this video. If you find this video helpful, drop a like, subscribe to our channel. See you in the next video.